Um, Siguro, well, my take on that is purely paninira. Kasi wala namang ganyan na mga lumalabas sa audit observation memorandum na nakuha namin sa COA. And siguro ang tamang venue kung saan kami sumagot sa audit na hindi pa lang sa confidential audit sa lahat ng audit na ginagawa sa aming opisina sa Office of the Vice President is in the Commission on Audit. So, as we said from the start, we have been fully cooperating with all the AOMs. We have been answering all the questions of the auditors.
Last na po, medyo cold na daw po yung relationship niyo with Senator Jaime, who is your friend.
Sinabi ko yung relationship namin, sinabi ko lang, nung pinag-message ko siya, cold yung kanyang reply. But